Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SE-R1 amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amp not working or not responding properly or not making sound, anything like that, getting strange sounds out of the speakers, a lot of this can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if for whatever reason you just want everything cleared out of it so that it's like it was when it came out of the box, we can do this really easily with this unit. All we need to do is have the unit turned off, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the dimmer button. And we're just going to keep pressing and holding the dimmer button, and then we're just going to come in and turn it on by pressing the power button. And then once we do that, we're just going to keep holding the dimmer button and keep an eye on these two lights here, the power light and then the LEPC light. And when both of those lights blink twice, we can go ahead and let go of the dimmer button, allow it to complete its reset, and set this up as a new device.